Hello everybody, it's Ron again, and this is our next video on our Qigong journey. And again, I'm trying it outside again because I think it came out really good. I had a lot of good comments last week about doing it outside on the deck, and everybody liked the colors from the new camera, so we're going to try it again this week. So again, this is my monitor so I can see that I'm in frame and everything like that. So it's an awesome camera. It's actually Insta360 Luna Ultra. If anybody would like me doing a review on it, let me know, I will. So as I always do, trying to get important things out of the way first. Little Angelo is not here today. He went with his dad probably a couple of hours ago, so he's with his dad overnight, and his dad's going to bring him back tomorrow. So, but as he always says, he said, say hi to everybody and have a good Qigong journey. That's what he always says. At the end, same thing. He always says bye and have a great week or whatever. So he told me to tell everybody the same thing. So I'm letting everybody know. Okay, in this video, let me put this back down here. Okay. In this video, we're going to be doing more geared for seniors or people that are just want a nice, gentle, easy routine. This routine can be done seated, it can be done standing. Best if it's done standing, and you want to work up to doing it standing if you can. So, but that's basically what the routine is. So, well, that's about it. Well, like I said, yeah, it's a simple thing to try and get everybody. Is what you want to try and do is get into a flow state. You want everything aligned with each other. Your entire body, mind, everything aligned with everything. So you're trying to get into a flow state, and that's what we're going to try and do with this routine, is get into a flow state. So with that, I'm going to take the ready stance. Everybody knows. Knees bent. Tailbone not tucked all the way in, but just drop low. Chin back, neck back, ground to the sky. So, and just ready position, arms at your side, and everything loose, everything as relaxed as possible. Hopefully by the end of this, everything will be even more relaxed by the end of this particular routine. So, and again, like I said, this one geared towards seniors or anybody that wants just a nice, gentle, easy routine. That's what this one is going to be. So, that, okay, we're going to begin. So, we're getting ready to start. Everybody grounded. Just take it easy, everybody, and be grounded. Get in a very comfortable position. Relax your entire body and feel like you're grounded to the earth. Good position. Very, very good position. As I said, knees slightly bent. And make sure everything is loose, relaxed, and as I said, crown to the sky. So you want to feel like you have a good posture. Just stand there, take a couple of deep breaths, all into the lower dantian, all through the nose. Okay, we're going to start now by just swinging the arms. Swing your arms. Out, back, out, back. You can tap if you want to tap. Stay relaxed. Be feeling a little bit looser in your shoulders and neck. Back to the center. And you want to swing them from side to side. And you slightly bend. And shift your weight a little bit side to side as well. So to the left, the right. Left, right. Arms are relaxed and loose at the shoulders. And just swinging. If you have a little trouble with balance with this one, keep your eyes forward and fixed on something. Feel your body slide side to side as well. Okay, back to the center. Okay, bring it up to the left hip and just turning side to side. Feel a little bit of a turn. Gently twisting. This helps stimulate the lower part of the spine. Helps with the upper spine as well. Okay, back to the center. This is an opening exercise we're going to do now. Again, back in the ready position. Relax everything. Slowly breathe in, up. Breathe out as you come down. Inhale up. Exhale out. All through the nose. And through the belly. Feel that you're breathing in good, solid energy. Exhaling out any stress that you might be feeling. Getting rid of any tension in your body as you breathe out. Out, release the tension. Very good. This next exercise is called rowing the boat. You imagine you're dipping your hands into the water, pushing back, open the chest and the shoulders, roll them out, and then dip them back in the water. Inhale, exhale. Exhale out, all through the nose. Breathing in. Exhale out. Inhale, exhale. Yeah. Stand in the ready position for the next exercise. Put your hands on your back. Go down the back of your legs as far as you can. Come in front. Hands come up. Up. Back down. Sweep back down. Down in front of him. Hands come up. And down. Back down. Front. Come up. Do a slight stretch in your upper and lower back. Come back up. Just able to come down. Come to the back. Back down back. This is for circulation. Back up. Exhale out. Back around. Inhale up. And back down. Feel a good stretch here. And back up. Inhale up. Last one. This one is called Guiding the Chi. A little bit wider stance. Hands facing toward each other. Circle hands towards your chest. Down the center of the body. Bend the legs down. Come back up. When you go down as low as you can. This you're trying to remind of the chi or your energy going down the center of your body, breathing in. Breathe out, exhale out. Breathing in, breathe the chi in, into the lower dantian, and breathe out. This helps with core muscles, and it helps guide the chi down. It also helps the leg muscles, back muscles, hip muscles. Helps strengthen the core. Feel the chi coming in and guide it into the dantian. Gather it up, guide it in, down. Breathing in, last one. Feet back together. Last exercise. One hand goes down, one hand comes up. Show the way around. This is called cloud hands. And this hand comes up. Cloudy hands. Keep two hands circling towards the center of the body. Feel a little twist in the hips as well as you turn from side to side. And going side to side on the legs too. To the left side, to the right side. Left side, or right side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. through the nose and into the belly, the lower dantian. Last one. Come back to center. An opening exercise. Breathing in. Let go of any tension. Breathing out. Relax everything. Breathing in. Connect with earth, nature, and heaven. Breathing out. Releasing all the tension. Head, neck, shoulders, chest, stomach, pelvis, legs, feet. Last one. Breathe in. Breathing out. Come back to the ready position. And that is a very simple Qigong routine that you can do, seniors can do. You can do that if seated if you can't stand, but work up to try and doing it standing because it's better standing, but you can do it seated. You can do it standing because all motions can be done seated because you just squat a little bit and the movements are done with your arms. So, but these are very simple exercises for anybody to do. It helps release stress. It's for anybody. Anybody can do it, not just seniors. It's geared for seniors, makes it a little bit easier, but it's geared for anybody that wants to do it. It's a very good routine, helps bring the chi in, helps center the chi, helps build the core muscles. If your core muscles aren't that strong, it helps build them up. So we do these quite regularly, help build the core muscles, helps build the legs, helps build the hips, makes everything stronger. And that's the purpose of what we're doing Qigong for. Is to live a longer and healthy life. That's the purpose of our of what we're doing. So that's our video for this week. And again, as I said, little Angelo would be saying goodbye right now and have a good weekend. Good, because today is Friday. So have a great weekend, everybody. Have a great everything. Take care, everybody. And I will see you all again next week. Take care, all. Have a good one, everybody. We'll see you all again next week. So, bye. Take care, everybody. Take care, everybody. Bye.